Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can insert this spreadsheet into Google Docs. So select insert, select chart, and then select from sheets. And you're going to select the sheet that you want to add. So for instance, this one. And then you're just going to import the chart that you have. Then you can also link to spreadsheet, and then just gonna, okay, I forgot to insert it apparently. Hold on. Select it and then press import, and then you'll have this. Then to add in the table, you can just select these, copy it. So right click copy and then right click paste. And then I'm just going to link to spreadsheet and then press paste. And then here you'll have the option link chart, or you can unlink it, but I like it to be linked. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!